If you've ever wondered how businesses turn complete strangers into leads, customers, and sales on autopilot, the answer is usually a sales funnel. The problem is that sales funnels often sound far more complicated than they really are. You'll hear people talking about landing pages, automations, CRM systems, email sequences, lead magnets, and conversion rates. And before long, it feels overwhelming. The good news is that a sales funnel is actually a very simple concept. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how a sales funnel works, how to build one from scratch, the pages you need, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and then I'll show you what a simple funnel looks like inside a real funnel building platform. Let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that a sales funnel is simply a customer journey. Think about the last time you bought something online. You probably didn't wake up one morning and immediately hand over your credit card. You discovered something, you learned about it, you considered it, and then you made a decision. That's exactly what a funnel does. It guides people through that process. At the simplest level, every sales funnel contains 4 parts: traffic, lead capture, follow-up, offer. That's it. Let's look at each one. Step 1 is traffic. Traffic simply means people. Without traffic, your funnel doesn't exist. People can come from YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, referrals, email, paid advertising. The goal is simply to get somebody interested enough to take the next step. Now let's say somebody watches your YouTube video. What happens next? This is where step 2 comes in. Lead capture. Most businesses make a huge mistake here. They send people directly to their homepage. The problem with a homepage is that it's often full of distractions. Menus, different services, blog posts, contact pages, and dozens of different options. A landing page is different. A landing page has one job, one message, one offer, one call to action. Nothing else. Imagine you're a fitness coach. Your landing page might offer a free meal plan, a free consultation, a fitness challenge, or a downloadable guide. The objective is simple: exchange value for contact information. Once the visitor takes action, they become a lead. Now we move into step 3, follow-up. This is where most businesses lose money because most people do not buy immediately. Think about your own behavior. How many times have you visited a website and bought instantly? Probably not very often. Most people need multiple touch points before they make a decision. That's why follow-up matters. This might happen through email marketing, SMS marketing, appointment reminders, educational content, case studies, testimonials. The goal is to build trust. Every email, every message, every interaction moves the prospect a little closer to becoming a customer. Now we reach the final stage, the offer. This is where you present the solution. Your service, your course, your software, your coaching program, your consulting package, or your product. The biggest mistake people make is putting the offer first. Funnels work because they warm people up before asking them to buy. That's why they convert better than simply sending traffic directly to a sales page. Now let's look at what a simple funnel actually looks like. Imagine you're a local business owner. Someone discovers your business on YouTube. They click a link in your description. They land on a page offering a free guide. They enter their email address. They receive a series of helpful emails. They book a consultation. You present your offer and they become a customer. That's a funnel. Not complicated, just a structured journey. Now let's talk about the software side. Years ago, you needed multiple tools to build a funnel like this. For example, ClickFunnels for funnel pages, Lead Pages for landing pages, MailChimp for email marketing, ActiveCampaign for automations, Calendly for appointment booking, HubSpot for CRM management, and Zapier to connect everything together. Today, many businesses use all-in-one platforms that combine these functions together, which is what I'm using for this demonstration. The important thing isn't the software, it's understanding the system. Because software doesn't create sales, strategy creates sales. Now that you understand the strategy, let me show you what this looks like inside a real funnel builder. Here we have a simple funnel. First, we have the landing page. This is where traffic arrives. The page contains a headline, supporting information, social proof, and a call to action. When somebody enters their details, they move to the thank you page. The thank you page confirms the action and tells them what happens next. Behind the scenes, we have an automation. The automation sends follow-up emails, reminders, and additional content automatically. At the same time, the lead is added to the CRM, so we can track where they are in the sales process. If appointments are part of the funnel, we can also connect a booking calendar. And that's really it. Traffic, landing page, thank you page, follow-up, CRM, offer. That's the foundation of most successful funnels you'll see online. Now, before we wrap up, I want to mention something for those of you who decide to use the same platform I'm demonstrating in this tutorial. I've put together what I call the 12K GoHighLevel success system. It includes bonus number 1, the 10-day GoHighLevel success course. Bonus number 2, high converting funnel frameworks. Bonus number 3, AI content creation mastery. Bonus number 4, the 24-hour ranking system. And bonus number 5, an opportunity to apply for my funnel launch partnership program. The goal is simply to help you implement faster and avoid common mistakes. You'll find more information in the description if you'd like to check it out. So that's how a sales funnel works. As you've seen, every successful funnel is simply a series of steps that guide someone from discovering your business to becoming a customer. Now that you understand the overall strategy, it's time to start building. In the next video, we're going to create one of the most important parts of any sales funnel, a high converting landing page. I'll show you exactly what sections every landing page needs, why they matter, and we'll build one together from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.